you see? I said, I can see your underwear from here. Okay? And so she was like covered with her jacket. The next day I was happy to see her with, nice pants without holes. This is Jerry, Jerry, I told David Westwood, Buddy Pope, I said, this is your avatar comes alive. And I had another picture of her. The first day was in blue tone. It was totally cool. And then you have somebody with, a T-shirt that says bad, and somebody says pretty good. So, people eat junk food, and I love this whole army of cereal bar. I think that's a lot. I think the stick was looking for a ball, and finally he found it. He was like totally happy. Junk food. And I didn't know what the heck this thing is. It's like a plus. And pistachio, what you eat. And then, with all the free food here, this guy had to go out and get a Big Mac, And this is an intense guy. I mean, he was drinking like, a dozen of those. And the wine, not too bad. So some of them are really tired. I took a shot of it. He didn't know. He was like poking his own eyes and trying to open them up, It was funny. He didn't know I was taking a shot of it.
Oh, cute, Chris.
Yeah, Chris was dozing off. He had no clue I was taking a picture of me. And this is where they live, sitting on this thing. And this guy just basically, caved it in the back. And honestly, somebody did bring the pillows, and blanket. And I'm so happy they have shower here. So that kind of gives hope of people who camp out here. Such a wallet's pretty good. He's been changing his bowels. I was kind of worried. But he's got clean bowels. I don't know whether it's shower or not, but he did change shirts. Yeah. So laptop tells a lot about the person, right? So I tried to take Ollie's, he's a cool guy, founder of Peanut Lab. Yeah, but he's got this sexy woman, dress on his laptop. And this is Kevin, I think. Boy, he's crowded, And this guy, David, right, he's got a really cool screensaver. But he didn't create it. He said he copied from somewhere. I said, well, who is this guy here? Oh, no. He's so cool. He's got beautiful graphics. And this is Alexandros. And somebody's very political. I think it's Patrick, right? And, of course, artist, David. He was very intense. He was just as intense as the developer. Look at the way I actually took a serious of him. He was eyes looking down, and he draw with somebody, really good one. So that's my story. But I got thousands. So I will share you. I will upload it to the wiki. But this is just my little snapshot of the story. So through my lens, and you can probably tell your own stories. And I haven't finished. I got tonight's picture, but I ran out of battery in the middle. So some nasty picture I have to post out there to Yummy Dave again. Okay, thank you. Who is that? That's you there, right? Somebody. I actually had the title on my Facebook. I called it Deep's Paradise / Junk Food Graveyard. Thank you.